If you already own an iPad, an 11-inch iPad, this thing is going to be kind of like the way to add on to that iPad, because check this out, you've got a Bluetooth keyboard. Now this is a full-size keyboard, by the way. Your iPad's gonna live right here. There's no connection necessarily. You can actually have the swivel. So if you wanna have it like this and actually just use it as a, you're drawing, you're just using your fingers, no problem. And then you wanna go back to writing your novel, boom, you're back to it. It's got 200 hours of use. So 200 hours of use via Bluetooth, I think that's pretty cool. And the other thing that I was really impressed with is that the keys are those X keys, those X spring keys. And if you know what I'm talking about, you'll know exactly what I mean by that. This is literally the feel of typing on an actual keyboard on an actual laptop, which is great. It is uber thin, as you can see, super easy to charge, obviously, and it even has a little holder for your pencil. If you do have an Apple Pencil, you can have that as well. And you don't need to take out your iPad out of this case to take pictures, because yes, it does have that opening for the camera. This thing is super, super cool and so useful.